Hey everybody, how's it going this week? So we're going to talk about freelance journalistic writing. Just like the module said, it can provide non-financial advantages regardless of whether we're using support ourselves or not. In this discussion, we're supposed to focus about how we could use journalistic writing to advance our own writing career. Freelance journalism isn't something that it's something I've toyed with, but I haven't really pursued. I had a nonfiction writing class in my master's studies. I had to do a piece in, so I chose a story about a killer tornado that struck a small town in West Texas. It was like in 1987, I believe. It was a real tragedy, but some of the more modern, severe storm warning technology came out of it that saved countless lives. So I feel like, just like then when I wrote the story and how I feel now, that this is really important, and it's a town and experience that really shouldn't be forgotten. It's funny, the lesson this week is on journalistic writing, because last week I was thinking about that story and possibly doing some more research and submitting it to a magazine that deals in Texas interest stories. The main thing that's kept me from pursuing it is about an 8-hour drive out to the town in West Texas, so it's hard for me to find in my schedule 3 or 4 days that are consecutive that I can stay out there and do some interviews and some on-site reporting to add depth to my story. I don't think journalistic writing is something I'll be gravitating towards, in all honesty. But I do have some interest, and I think I could probably pursue doing an article or two and seeing if I could get it published. I think using avenues like journalistic writing to get my name out there and to go through the experience of having my stories in print would be beneficial. As it was mentioned in the module overview, most journalistic work is paid by the project, and the rates are low compared to commercial writing. But since I'm viewing this as an experiment and journalistic writing isn't my primary focus, I'm really looking at it as a way to further my career at this point, and I'd be okay with any pay, actually, to give me some validation for all the hard work I've done over the last few years in school. In all honesty, I'm really after the non-financial benefits, like demonstrating my work is worthy of publication, being able to reference key publications in my book queries, and using this medium for any other way to market my upcoming book by getting my name out there in front of book buyers. I'm not sure if I'll be successful with my first pitch, but like it was mentioned, when you continue to pitch ideas to publishers multiple times, the editors start to know you, and hopefully then I'll possibly see some acceptance of my pitches or even requests to write other stories. I think also the module resources this week are also going to help me as I try to get this article done and pitch to a potential editor. So looking forward to seeing what you guys have this week, and thanks for taking time to listen to me.